All right. In this section, we're going to discuss about login and exploring the dashboard. It doesn't matter if you're an existing customer or a new customer who's trying to set up a trial account. This is the process. Logging into Class365 is really quick and easy. And once you're in, you're welcomed by a sleek, intuitive dashboard that gives you a bird's eye view of your institution. So let's dive into the tour itself. So if you're an existing customer, so you can actually go into login, or if you're a new customer, you can just start with a trial for free option. You get 14 days of trial account, so you get all modules that you can explore the platform. So if you're an existing customer, you can log in and you can just search for your institutions here. So I'm just going to search one of our test accounts here. And once I find it, I can just click on it and then it opens up, the account itself. So this is, excuse me. So I'm just going to log out. So this is going to be your login page. So here, this is an evaluation account. It's just a test account. But here you can see, we can put your own logo. You can put your, institution image, institution name, background image, and you can also put a background video here as well. So there are 4 profiles up here. So admin, teacher, student, parent. So if you're higher education, you can always disable certain modules like parent module if you don't need it. We also have an option where you can rewrite the URL. So this URL says that evaluate5 or class365.com, but you could say that studentportal.yourdomain.com or edu dot whatever. So essentially, you can rewrite the URL. That's part of our white label module. So I'm just going to log in right now as an admin account. Now, we have integration with Google Apps for Education or Google Workspace for Education or Microsoft 365 as well. So if you use that, so you could log in with your Google account or Microsoft account, and that gets you to your dashboard. Now, this dashboard gives you like a high-level overview of everything. Because I logged in with my Google account, I can see the Google assets will also be synced. Your Drive, your Google Gmail, as well as your calendar, everything will be synced here as well. Now, this is a quick overview of the institution. So you can see how many students you have, how many teachers or admin staff, any events that are scheduled, any new submissions. So these are your submissions for either applications for new enrollment or any other forms that parents or students have put in. Some reports around new student enrollment, attendance data, new CRM submissions, payments in terms of how the revenue is been coming in. You can see certain information like notice boards or bulletin boards up here, where you can broadcast messages to either admin, teacher, student, or parent. Events, any calendar events shows up here, or you can also see the class schedules here as well. So you can see those things here. And if you click on any of these, if you want to go into LMS module, you can quickly go directly into that specific subject, right? So there are other things here, like, we have the LMS information. So this is the LMS data, the learning management system, where you can see all the information that has been, is been showing up in LMS in terms of, how many students are enrolled, how many are in progress, and how many are completed. Latest form submissions, any new submissions shows up here. Payment transactions shows up here. Birthday reminders, especially if your school, a lot of customers really love that, they can see, which of their kids have birthday today, or the students have their birthday today. This is what we call as directory and skill-based search, where you can search by name, or you can also tag students, teachers, alumni with skills as well, where you can search by them. Now, so you can we also have an embed code where you can embed this one on your website or your intranet sites. Provides a directory of your staff or students. We also have right at the top, we have an option where you can also search by name. You can search by invoice numbers or admission numbers here as well. Next to that, we have the option where we have our AI module as well. So this is our AI module. This is similar to like ChatGPT, but for your own data. So here you can ask a question to the AI module, and it actually comes up with an answer. As an example, you can say how many submissions have been received for this maybe this academic year. You can see that data. You have the option to download that data as well. So it's similar to ChatGPT, very powerful AI engine, right? We are a multilingual platform as well, so you can actually load up other languages as well. Um, and on the left hand side, we have access to all the modules. I'm going to go through each modules here, but the way the modules have been laid out, it mimics a learner journey. So notice that it starts from the admissions and ends in the graduation and alumni. So it goes through sequentially, just as a student goes through from admissions to alumni or graduation, right? We also have the option for individual users to update the dashboard as well. So I can pretty much drag and drop and move my dashboard, or I can change or add additional widgets which I want as well. So I can customize what data is more important to me, and I can update my dashboard here as well. All right, so that's pretty much what I wanted to show about the dashboard. The next videos we're going to talk about a few more modules.